Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Rufus and app on your computer. So for downloading this, click on Window key and then open Microsoft Store. And here on the search bar, search here Rufus. So here you can see Rufus is showing. Now click on Get to download this app. So here you can see it is processing. Now getting ready. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So just wait for it. So here you can see it is downloaded. Now by pressing on open, you can open the app. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So here you can see Rufus is launched. Now you can start working with Rufus. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.